Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying fit and safety. Measure the pipe diameter and chimney throat so connectors align precisely. Once done, don your gloves and glasses and position the bottom pipe into the stove or appliance collar. Make sure to seat it fully and rotate to align screw holes or locking tabs. Then mark flange locations and pre-drill pilot holes where needed to avoid splitting. This early accuracy prevents leaks and makes the rest of the job smooth and secure. Now you connect the midsections. Slip the male end into the female end with a 1 to 2 inch overlap, then twist to engage locking tabs or align screw holes. Once joined, apply a thin bead of high-temperature sealant around the joint and wipe away excess so it doesn't harden unevenly. Next, install support brackets every 4 to 6 feet and confirm the run maintains a slight upward slope toward the chimney for proper draft. This ensures mechanical strength and a gas-tight, draft-friendly path. To finish, fasten the final pipe into the chimney adapter, secure the flashing and storm collar if you penetrated the roof, and tighten all fasteners. Once complete, run a controlled smoke or draft test and watch each joint for leaks. Make sure the appliance draws steadily and clears combustion byproducts up the flue. If you notice a leak or poor draft, recheck overlaps and sealant, tighten supports, and ensure clearance around the flue. One key troubleshooting tip. Small gaps usually fix by reseating the joint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.